If Hell Let Loose won't start and shows a launch error, don't worry. This issue is usually caused by easy anti-cheat problems, corrupted files, or background software conflicts. Let's fix it step by step. First, restart your PC. This clears stuck services and background processes that often block the game from launching. Next, run Steam and the game as administrator. Right-click the Steam shortcut and choose Run as administrator. Then launch Hell Let Loose. This avoids permission-related launch failures. Now, repair Easy Anti-Cheat. Go to the Hell Let Loose installation folder, open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder, and run easyanticheat_setup.exe. Select Hell Let Loose and click Repair Service. After that, verify the game files. In Steam, right-click Hell Let Loose, Properties, Installed Files. Verify integrity of game files. This fixes missing or corrupted files. Also, disable overlays and background apps. Turn off Discord overlay, Steam overlay, NVIDIA Shadowplay, MSI Afterburner, and any FPS or monitoring tools. These often prevent the game from launching. If the error continues, update your graphics drivers and Windows. Outdated drivers are a very common cause of launch issues. Finally, check antivirus and firewall settings. Make sure Hell Let Loose and Easy Anti-Cheat are allowed through your firewall. Temporarily disabling antivirus can help confirm if it's blocking the game. Once done, restart your PC and launch the game again. In most cases, the launch error will be resolved.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.